Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm glad you guys are here with us today. If you just found this channel, hi, I'm Amanda and this is my husband Ken. He joins me every now and again on here. Today we are bringing you a cleaning motivation and maybe a little organization motivation as well. Ken has not been impressed lately with the fridge, so he decided that it was getting cleaned out. It amazes me how much food gets thrown away and how much money would get saved if we used what we buy sooner or have a different way of organizing the space. I'm hoping to one day have a fridge full of organization bins where we can label the bins and then always know where things are. I don't know about you, but we always have something that gravitates to the back and then all of a sudden it's no longer in view and then other things get shoved in front of it. This, of course, is what causes so much of the food waste, and I'm going to do something about it. Ken purchased a holder for canned drinks, which is on the top shelf, and then he also got an egg holder, which I love and use all the time. But I want another one to stack on top of the one we have, so organization is a definite priority for this space, and hopefully it gets done soon. I hope you guys like today's video. If you do, please leave it a like below, and if you enjoy this type of content or home makeovers, organization videos, home tours, lifestyle content, then please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can see all of the video notifications when they go up. I'm so happy that you guys are here today, and I hope that this video brings some cleaning motivation and inspiration into your home. I'll be back to guide you through the video. Until then, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
You would go find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
This was Saturday night, and it was time for me to load my car with all of my inventory for the craft market on Sunday morning. I keep inventory in my trunk during the week since I don't need to use the space, and this keeps me from having to spend more time loading and unloading, which can be a big and tedious job. In a minute, I'll show you how I fit everything into a 2016 Nissan Altima 2.5S sedan. Okay, so I've been asked by people at the market how I actually get all of my inventory in the car. This is a sedan, and actually I have tables under here. I got some, forget what else I have. I have one more thing I got to put in here. I need to put a TV tray in here because it's going to be my cashier's area. Anyway, so I have 4 crates that fit in here. that were filled with inventory. And then I have my other crates in here on this side. My tent is on the bottom down there. I have my chair here, my bags and some stuff in here that I still need to bring with me. I've got the stand for my, you can't see any of this, stand for my pumpkins is here, my pegboard is here, and again, middle crates. There's 3 of them there, 3 of them on the other side, and there's 1 here. So that's how I do it. Sometimes, depending on what I have, sometimes I put some stuff up in here in the back that will fit back there like a chair or something like that. And it works for me. So that's how I get all of my inventory to the market.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but it lasts.
All right, so this is the start of my little cocoa bar, which actually isn't a bar, it's a bowl. But this is what I have here already, and so that's what I'm going to try to do. So I've got a couple of jars here, and I'll put some peppermints in here, or like some peppermint sticks or candy canes or whatever in here. And I might do those chocolate straws or something in here, or peppermint candies or something. So anyway, I have a lot to start with so far.
Catching up, I got hungry for the sun in high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights. And I'm flying alone now. And nothing is holding me down now. I'm flying alone now. And nothing is holding me down now. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling, I'm so deep down. deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. When I'll be coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high whenever we're apart. It takes me through the night when I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes, when I'll be coming home, and I am on my way. When I'll be coming home, I wanna see you play the music of your heart. I'm
hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling.
We have thoroughly enjoyed this kitchen since we made it over. If you haven't seen the makeover, I invite you to check out the before and after video in the iCard above. This transformation took this kitchen from old, drab, and dark to bright, cheerful, and just overall beautiful. It's going to be much easier to decorate for seasons and holidays, and it was done just in time for Thanksgiving. We will be hosting as we usually do, but this year we will be able to provide a pleasant space to eat and visit. The next makeover that I have planned will be the laundry room, so stay tuned. You don't want to miss it.
And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Shine, go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do.
wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today. And a special thank you to those that have been supporting this channel. You guys are the reason that these makeovers are able to get done, which have changed the mood of this home, thereby allowing us to continue to thrive in this home until we purchase our own. I can't thank you guys enough for how you have truly changed our lives because of your generosity and kindness. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Stick around because Monday's video will be a full home tour of our house, where I'll be sharing all of my ideas and hopes for this place while we're still here. Until then, y'all, have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you next time.
Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like?